Hello to everyone. I'm David, the CTO and co-founder of CryptoPocket. And now I'm going to show you the Rampoff process of our solution. Here in the screen, I have selected the sell option. And in the I want to sell option, I'm going to introduce the amount that I have bought before in the Rampoff process, the amount of USDT Polygon. Let me check in my MetaMask wallet this amount. It is 18.4. So I want to sell 18.4 USDT in the Polygon network. There in this drop-down menu, I have also other tokens to sell, but this is my case. Now it shows you the amount that you are going to receive into your bank account in euros. And in the summary section, you have all the details of this process, the processing fee, the network fee, and the amount. So I click on continue. Here it asks you for your bank account address. In this case, it's going to be this one. Let's click on to continue. And now it tells you that as soon as we receive the tokens in our wallet, CryptoPocket will transfer the funds to your bank account. And you have 20 minutes to send your tokens. During this process, you are going to receive different emails. For example, this one, so telling you, hello, your Rampoff operation has been successfully started, and you have a maximum time of 20 minutes to send the tokens to your wallet. And here you have the link to redirect to this process. So now I'm going to send these tokens to this address. So let's go to MetaMask, clicking to send. This is the address where I have to send the tokens. Here. And the token is USDT, and the quantity is this one, 18.4. Now click in next and confirm. So now it's pending the transfer, but I have just received the transaction confirmed from MetaMask. So now I get another email from CryptoPocket telling me that the tokens have entered into the system and the bank transfer is going to my account.